guys, it's Lovey6 and today we got sent a slime kit from Original Stationery and I'm super excited. I love slime and yeah. So we got sent this for free and let's get opening. So I'm going to show you what we have. So we have these little crystal things.
So I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but it's really pretty purple. It's like glitter. Let's get it out of the plastic. Just some add-ins that you can have. That one's really pretty.
Pink and
There's a blue and a pink.
Then there's these little beads.
Some fun beads. They're like little pearly colored beads.
Then there's fish tank beads, which if you don't know what those are, it's just something that you put on the bottom of like a fish tank, but you put it in slime and it makes like a crunch sound.
And they're like clear, so those are fun.
Then there's snow powder. There's a funnel.
A funnel.
Or squeeze.
Oh, I think the little squeeze thing is for the little bottles that she has in her hand.
A dye. Paint.
Different colored paints. So there's a theme. There's the pink, blue, and purple.
And white.
And they have a white one, so.
Or that's solution.
No, it looks like it's probably white.
And then scents. So we got bubblegum. Vanilla. Scared me. Candy.
Bubblegum and vanilla. Candy.
And strawberry. So that's it in this big ol' bag. So now we have purple foam beads. Pink foam beads. Blue foam beads. And white foam beads.
So it's kind of nice to stick to like the same color.
And then we have some jelly cubes, which if you don't know what jelly cubes are, you just put them in like...
They're just like little foamy cubes.
Yeah. Then we have spoons.
Oh, that's cute. Cute little spoons.
Squishy clay, like good clay.
Gives you a nice amount of clay.
So then we have utensils. So there's like a knife, like so if you don't know that like clay, if you add clay into slime, it makes like a buttery texture. You can like spread it. Then we have borax, but then you just add water into it.
So it gives you the instructions on what you need to do. It says make borax water, so just add water to this solution.
And glue.
And nice size of clear glue.
It gives us measuring cups. And containers to put your slime in. I like to put
So there's two different sizes. There's this size that's a little bit bigger, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then smaller ones, 4 smaller ones. And of course they give lids too as well.
Yeah. So I think first we are going to make the slime, of course, and then I think I'm going to be doing butter slime first because I love butter slime, and yeah.
Okay, tell us what you're gonna make.
Okay, so we are making some butter slime. So we need clay, and then we've got some hot water here, and we're gonna add some drops of pink.
Okay, so the package also comes with this little booklet, and it tells you some tips and tricks of how to make slime, and then it also gives you some basic instructions on how to do different types of slime. So this one says basic slimes, clear slime, cloud slime, candy floss slime, fluffy colored clay slime, which is this one we're gonna do right now, and then foam slime, fishbowl, jelly cube, bubble gum, jelly cube slime, and then gives you some safety tips, and then how to use the scented and glitters, and that's it. So then it says this is from Original Stationery. So thanks again, Original Stationery.
So we're gonna make the slime now, and it says to pour 30 millimeters of glue. So. Okay, so that is 30.
And then it says just add a few drops of borax.
Okay, now we're mixing, and I think we might need just a couple more drops of that borax. And you just need more borax until the slime forms. I am done with the slime and it's clear, but now we are going to make it baby pink and add some clay. So this this clay is super soft and super squishy, so we're gonna add it now. So it is mixing well. And it is becoming clay. Slime or butter slime, and soon we're going to get out the utensils and see if it was a success or was it a fail. Okay, so now we're just going to be trying the dye. Okay, it is working.
Okay, you probably need a little bit more dye in there.
It is turning the pink I wanted it to, but very slowly. But you can see, well, you might be able to see.
Let me see. I think it's still a little too light. Let me see.
Yeah, we still need to add more, but it is doing what it's...
It's still, like, not pink enough, I don't think.
Yeah.
It feels good, though.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice and buttery.
Oh my gosh, it's turning the pink I wanted. So, I don't think it would work well with the water because it just was too wet.
Yeah, the instructions that was given, it says to do it with water. But I feel like it just makes it a little too, like a little bit too hard to knead.
Okay, I think we are all done with the dye.
Let me see.
So now we're going to use the utensils.
So it's hard to see in camera, but it is like a baby pink color. And the slime does feel really nice.
So now we are going to use the utensils. So I got a butter knife right here. And this is how well it goes. So this was a success. So I'm really happy with this slime. Thank you so much, Original Stationery. If you want your own unicorn slime kit, look in the description below. And bye everybody, it's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below if you want us to do any more slime videos. Bye.